Ever wondered why websites seem to know you so well, or why they load faster the second time around? It's all thanks to two behind-the-scenes players, cookies and cache. They make your browsing smoother, but if you don't clean them regularly, they can cause problems or even expose you to cyber risks. Welcome to the video. Today, we'll break down what cookies and cache really are, how they affect your privacy, and most importantly, how to clear them the right way to stay safe online. Let's dive in. Cookies, tiny data packets for personalization. Cookies are like digital post-it notes websites leave on your device. They help sites remember your login, language, and preferences. Types of cookies. Session cookies vanish when you close your browser. Persistent cookies stay until you delete them. Third-party cookies come from other domains, mostly for ads and tracking. Ethical angle. Cookies can be privacy invasive if misused. That's why laws like GDPR ask websites to get your consent before setting them. Cookies a treasure trove for hackers. If attackers get access to your cookies, they can hijack your session and pretend to be you. Track your behavior across websites. Steal login tokens on public Wi-Fi. Common attack methods include cross-site scripting excesses, session fixation, packet sniffing, cache speed booster for web content. Cache stores parts of websites, like images or code, so they load faster next time. Types of cache. Browser cache stores web assets locally. DNS cache remembers IP addresses. App cache helps apps work offline. Ethical angle. Cache doesn't track you, but outdated cache can cause bugs or security issues. Clearing it regularly keeps things smooth. Cache a silent threat. Attackers can exploit cache through cache poisoning, injecting malicious content, local data theft, extracting browsing history or sensitive files if your device is compromised. Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine walking into your favorite coffee shop. The moment you step in, the barista greets you with your usual order, no need to repeat it. That's cookies in action, they remember your preferences. Now, imagine the drink is already being made before you even reach the counter. That's cache, it speeds things up by storing parts of the process in advance. But here's the catch. If someone steals your loyalty card, that's your cookie, they can pretend to be you. And if someone messes with the drink machine, your cache, you could end up with something harmful. So, while cookies and cache make life easier, they need regular cleaning to keep your digital coffee shop safe and secure. Now we will see how to clear cache and cookies step by step. Open your browser and click the three dots in the top right corner. Select History. Click the delete icon or clear browsing data. Choose a time range. Last 24 hours. Last 7 days. All time recommended. Below, select what you want to clean. Cookies, cached images and files, download history, autofill data. Hit Clear Data. Do this once a week to keep your browser fast and secure. So next time your browser acts up, don't panic, just clear your cookies and cache. It's like giving your digital coffee shop a fresh start. If this helped you understand your browser better, give it a thumbs up sign and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips that protect your digital life without the jargon, hype, or fear. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.